Let me see here. Let me answer some more questions. Wow, I got a lot of people on here. This is wild. I'm not used to this. I mean, it's not not crazy or anything, but it's definitely a lot of people jumping on here. Let me see here. I've got some other folks jumping in. Somebody said avoiding or accepting the risk. Recommend BU to have its own marketplace and OS image downloads, cyber approved. What is the CCM tool you recommend? CCM tool you recommend? I don't know what. I'm not sure what you mean. Are you talking about the cloud um, compliance model? Let's see. Avoiding or accepting the risk. So I assume you're talking. I don't know if that's a question or a statement. um. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure like if that's a question or a statement. So I'm gonna keep it moving. But thank you guys. I appreciate it. I got some other questions, complete questions on YouTube. So I'm gonna stick there for now. Um, Tariq, Tariq says, "Do you think now is a good time to job hop?" Yeah, I'm still getting job offers. I know it sounds crazy with all this news, crazy stuff going on, but it's the market's still it's still cooking, man. I mean, there's jobs to be had out there. I think that you should, if you're a government employee and you're leaving because they're asking you to, I think you should rethink that. Um, because I don't really know what they're gonna do. Um, it's kind of up in the air. It's going back and forth between the executive branch and the judges right now. So if they'll be able to pay you when you leave, right, like they said they are going to, I personally wouldn't trust it. Um, because of I don't know. I wouldn't trust that. But to job hop, there's jobs out there. It's probably not going to be a perfect job. It's probably not going to be the exact amount of pay or location you want. You might have to come to the office, but there's still jobs. I'm I myself have been thinking about, I'm always looking. I'm always open to take a better offer or a better experience. And I'm still getting contacted by some pretty legit opportunities. So keep your eyes open. They're still out there. The market keeps moving, regardless of who's in power or what they want to do. There's always a need for people who do cybersecurity, and people who do GRC, people who do IT. There is a need. Is it going to pay, 100K out the box? Is it gonna be remote? Is it gonna be in the city you want? Probably not. One of those things will be going to be off, but there's still jobs out there. So just just stay the course, and that's what I'm doing. I'm not telling you anything I'm not doing myself. I'm still seeing stuff out there. And Larry said probably not, but some of us don't have a choice. Looking kind of grim in the federal space right now. Yeah, federal space is a little shifty. I don't know what, like, it's just is weird. And and I'm not trying to be political or anything, but to be honest, I'm working in that space right now, and number one, what they're doing is for sure they're having people no longer work from home. So they're pulling all government employees back. That's a mandate I think it's about to end in like a few days. That they're saying, hey, if you don't work, if you're not in the office, then we're gonna let you go, or some. It's so dumb. They don't have a plan for it. I don't think it's dumb that they're doing it. It's more like the way they're doing it is really dumb. It just doesn't make any sense, and it's not taking into consideration actual human beings who do this work. And that's just my 2 cents. It's just what I'm seeing, and it's not looking too good in that one part alone, just the remote work. The other part is they're trying to do these weird tactics to cut the government down. And again, I'm pro making a leaner, meaner government. But the way they're doing it, it just, like I said, doesn't take into account that there's actual humans on the other side of this, that are affected by it. People who have mortgages, people who have homes, people who can't reach back to, an angel investor or a bank or their dad or their trust fund to bail them out, right? Like these billionaires have. We're regular people working these jobs. Regular people with regular lives. We haven't taken all these crazy risks, and it's affecting government workers, and it's just the way they're doing it is not. It's not empathetic. It's not compassionate, and we can go back and forth, and I think you would have a point if you said, "Look, the government has to be smaller. We need to save money." Those are true statements. I agree with that. I agree with that. But the way they're doing it is it's just not smart. In my opinion, it doesn't, unless they know something I don't. Which there's a reason why they make so much money. There's a reason why they're so wealthy. Maybe it's because they're cutthroat. I don't know. Maybe it's because they don't care about humans. Kind of a dark way to think, but there are opportunities out there for you, Larry, especially somebody with your skill set. Just remain positive, and I'm telling you, there's stuff out there for you. And the way that I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do it, exactly how I get a job on this call.